How to deposit or withdraw crypto on BITGET Exchange mobile app. If you want to deposit or withdraw crypto on the BITGET Exchange mobile app, it is very simple to do so. First of all, launch the BITGET application and then just make sure to sign into your account. So if you want to deposit crypto to your account, first let's get started with depositing. From the bottom right, go to the assets option, and right at the top you can say deposit, so tap on deposit. Now over here it says deposit crypto, add crypto funds to your BITGET account. Or you can also choose to buy the crypto, so based on whatever else it is the method that you want. If you want to deposit, means you'll be able to find your deposit address of a certain coin. So let's say I want to find a deposit address of Bitcoin. I'll search for Bitcoin, and this will be my Bitcoin wallet address, which will be shown right over here once I verify my identity. Otherwise, to deposit it, I can also choose to buy using credit or debit card, or buy using P2P trading. Next up, if you want to withdraw it, once you've bought some amount of crypto or you receive from someone, again you can come to the assets tab, and here you'll find the withdraw option, from where you'll be able to withdraw your respective amount of cryptocurrency that you own. That's all it takes for you to deposit or withdraw crypto on BITGET Exchange app. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.